Hello everyone, I am Ravi and I welcome you all on our YouTube channel ITCS Overseas Education, your study abroad partner. We came with one more informative video on MBBS study in abroad. In this video, we are going to discuss about MBBS study in Philippines. In this video, we are going to discuss is choosing Philippines is a good option or not. If yes, then what is the process to enroll in the MBBS courses in Philippines? So let's start our video by some information about Philippines. Philippines is called as country of island, which is in Southeast Asia in the Western Pacific Ocean. It consists of 7,100 of islands. Manila is the capital city of Philippines with English as an official language. The population is approx 10.81 crore and it ranked as a 12th most populous country in the world. The local currency of Philippines is peso. The Philippines also emerged as a regional leader in education during the late 20th century. With a well-established public school and university system, and by the early 21st century, the country had one of the highest literacy rate in Asia. You will be surprised to know that Philippines accepts 10,000 international students every year, in which include 50% as Indian students. According to the American Physician Statistics, 1 among 10 physicians in USA studied at Philippines Medical University. The second topic which we are going to discuss here is the admission criteria. If we discuss about the eligibility criteria, the minimum 50% marks required in physics, chemistry and biology with NEET scorecard. There is one more criteria, that is age. The minimum age required is 17 years. The students who are planning to take admission in 2021, then he or she must complete the 17 year of age by 31st December 2021. Students, please make a note here, there will be no direct admission in MBBS courses in Philippines. If you want to enroll, we will tell you how you can enroll in the MBBS courses. Let's discuss about the course duration. The course duration in Philippines is 1.5 year of BS course plus 4 year of MD course. BS course duration will varied from university to university and of course on the admission year. Many students and parents are asking why to do BS course? Is it a mandatory? So we can say that BS course is mandatory. Why? As we know that Philippines follow the US based education standard. In US it is 10 plus 3.5 year and in India we have 10 plus 2. So there will be a gap of 1.5 years. So to overcome this gap, we need to take admission in BS program. After BS course, we need to write one entrance exam that is called as ANMET. The ANMET is an online entrance exam which consists 108 multiple choice questions. The total marks is 360 and the exam is for 2 years. This exam is divided into 3 categories. First one is the language skill, second one is the quantitative skill, that is the mathematics, third one is the logical reasoning, that is the blood relationship based question. The exam fee for this ANMET exam is 2000 rupees and ANMET is an online exam entrance test with high success rate. As I said, it is mandatory to enroll in BS courses before MD program. We can check this guideline in the Philippines Embassy website. The website is eoimanila.gov.in. In this website, the guidelines has been given for the medical education in the Philippines. You have to go this option, which is important advisory for the Indian students regarding medical education in the Philippines. Once you click this option, then you will get its whole details. In this, there will be a point which is mentioned related to the BS course. All students who complete 10 plus 2 from India, it is mandatory to enroll for the BS program. Now we will discuss why to choose Philippines for study. It is an English speaking country, so the lectures delivered in English only, and the clinical rotation where patient interaction will be also in English, which helps students to groom their skills, which is very crucial in other countries like Russia, Ukraine, Germany, etc. Second point, the climate is similar to India, which means they have similar symptoms like the Indian people, so they can easily get the experience over this. Third point, Indian food is easily available in Philippines, which helps students to survive easily. They can survive there. And the most important advantage in Philippines is internship. The internship of Philippines is valid in India. Next point is the population density is approx 110 million, which ranks 13 in the world. This means Philippines having good patient strength, which helps again to the students to improve their skill. In terms of connectivity, unfortunately there is no direct flight from India to Philippines. From India we can reach Philippines by flying via Singapore, Bangkok or Malaysia. We will book flight from Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, which having lower fare as compared to Delhi and Mumbai. Approx 6 to 9 hours journey, which cost between 10 to 15k. In this video we are going to discuss this top 5 colleges in Philippines. In first, our college is Lady Fatima University. Second one is the Dawa Medical School of Foundation. Third one is UB Gulas, and the fourth one is University of Perpetual Help System Delta. And the next and the last one is the Southwestern University, FINMA. So these are only top 5 medical colleges which ITCS can recommend you. This is the map of the Philippines in which we will try to locate the colleges where exactly they are being. Key points for the admission in Philippines. The degree which we will get from the Philippines is MD, which is equivalent to MBBS degree in India. The duration I already explained, it is 1.5 year of BS program plus 4 year of MD program. The internship, as I said, the internship is valid in India. Eligibility criteria we have already discussed, that is minimum 50% in PCB. If we discuss about the distance from India, it is 6 hours 21 minute flight from Delhi. And if we are talking about the food habit and the climate, it is equivalent to India. The first college which we are going to discuss is Our Lady of Fatima University. Our Lady of Fatima University is a higher education institution in the Philippines known for its allied medical science program and also offers basic education unit, preschools, grade schools and junior high schools. It also offers senior high schools, undergraduate programs, graduate and postgraduate degree. This university having 6 campuses, which is located in the city like Venezuela, Quezon, Antipolo and San Fernando. The college is founded in 1967 by Jose and his son-in-law Dr. Vincent. The university grew out of Our Lady of Fatima Hospital. The hospital became the primary provider of medical and healthcare services for the Venezuela. The college became a university in December 2002. If we talk about campus of this university, it is in Venezuela campus. It is the main campus which is located in the Venezuela city. The second campus we have in Quezon City campus. In 1996, Our Lady of Fatima University constructed its second campus in Quezon City along with the Fatima Eye and Rehabilitation Center building, which is also housed the physical therapy program. The third campus which we have is Antipolo campus. In the year 2007, the Lady Fatima has built one more campus in Antipolo, which is built for the residents of Rizal and its nearby community. In 2008, the first building, Vincent M. Shandong building, was completed until year 2010. Initially, there were 10 programs offered by the campus at that time. The campus during its first operation was nursed by 39 faculty members and it was assisted by 17 non-teaching staff. The total 5 years course will cost approx 27 lakh. This college is approved by Medical Council of India and WHO. This university is also approved by CHED, that is Commission on Higher Education. This college is also approved by United States Medical License Exam, that is USMLE, and Foundation of Advancement of International and Medical Education. The second college which we are going to discuss is Dawao Medical School of Foundation. Dawao Medical College is in Davao City, which is the highly urbanized city in the island of Mindanao. It is the largest city in terms of land area and most populous city. The city is awarded as 4th in the world for livable city. This college is founded in 1976 and approx 3,000 students completed the course and doing practice in India and the world. The Davao Hospital having 4,200 bed capacity, which also makes the university unique for the students. The course duration is 5 years and 1 year of internship, which is valid in India. For BS course, the college having 2 campuses in India. One is in Pune and second one campus is in Chennai. After that, they will do the remaining course, that is 4-year course in the Philippines. If we talk about features of this college, then Davao Medical College is the second college in Asia who is using the simulation station for the clinical rotation. Medical colleges having virtual autonomic classes. The third point for this college is hostel facilities are available for boys and girls. Approx 50 Indian staff with 150 Philippines staffs are assigned to take care of the students. Indian food is also available with the north and south flavor both. Davao City received the award of Best of the Livable City in the Philippines by the Department of Tourism. If we talk about approval, this college is approved by Medical Council of India, World Health Organization, that is WHO, Commission on Higher Education, that is CHED, and USMLE also. The total 5 years course will cost approx 25 lakh. The third college in our list is UV Gulas College of Medicine. The Gulas Medical College is located in Cebu City and it is established in 1977. It is 42 years old medical college. This college is recognized by CHD Philippines, Medical Council of India, WHO and ECFMG, USMLE, IMD and the all medical boards of USA and UK. In addition to the Gulas Hospital, UV Gulas is affiliated with the 4 more hospitals in Cebu. UV Gulas College of Medicine country rank remains 3rd in the position. UV Gulas College of Medicine is the most popular choice for the Indian student to study MBBS in Philippines. This college is approved by WHO and NMC. UV Gulas College of Medicine is the top ranking medical college in Philippines. Being one of the best medical college in Philippines, UV Gulas College of Medicine students secure highest passing percentage in MCI, screening test and USMLE exam every year. As a result, thousands of Indian students choose to study MBBS in Philippines at UV Gulas Medical College. UV Gulas College of Medical ranking has a passing percentage of 98.54% is 2019 and 98.65% is 2020. The 5 years course will cost approx 18 lakh. The next college in our list is University of Perpetual Health System, Delta. This college is founded in year 1975. It is a 46 years old university. The University of Perpetual Health System, Delta is a highly recognized university in the Philippines. The university is accredited by CHED Philippines, WHO, NMC, Medicine Board of California, and FAIMER, etc. University of Perpetual Help System Delta was situated in Las Piñas City. At the early stage, it offers 2 academic courses. The college was expanded when it started 2 branches in Molino and Calamba. The Molino campus begins in 1995 with an initial enrollment of 700 students. Calamba is started in the year of 1996 and it scattered 367 students. The university is located in the capital city of Manila and it provides comfortable atmosphere for learning with the hospital, hostel, library, modern equipped laboratories and student refreshment program. It is a co-educational and private university. There are more than 20,000 students completed by over 1,000 faculty staff. It is 30 km approx and 50 km away from Manila Airport. The total duration is 5 years, which will cost approx 25 lakh. The next university which we are going to discuss is Southwestern University, FINMA. Southwestern University, FINMA is globally recognized university in Cebu City. This college is established in year 1946. The degree which is provided by this university is recognized by NMC, WHO, ECFMG, FAIMER, USMLE and other agencies across the world. This university contains hospital with 4,000 beds for the clinical training for the students. Southwestern University FINMA has 3 campuses around the Cebu City. The main campus is located on Argilo Sand and the Ajnar complex, which is in the Ajnar road. The total cost for this university is approx 22 lakh. If you have any query related to the medical seats in abroad, please contact us and please subscribe our channel for the more updates on the medical seats in abroad. Thank you and stay safe.